Girl, why are you playing with me? Girl, who are you playing with? You been on that new stuff. I've been on the same shit. Girl, why are you playing with me? I don't got the time for that. Might need me a refund. I'ma need that time back.
We are back home. We had a great day downtown. So now I'm about to cook some gumbo. Finally making something that I need to know. So, you know, we're just gonna show you a little step how I'm gonna do this. All right. Alright, so my chicken has been in the pot by itself, just doing its due. So I'm gonna add my sausage. So I cut up my sausage. And then I gotta put butter, onions, and okra in this, and then fry it to go in this later.
Put a lot of butter. Yeah, put more.
More butter still?
Yeah, please. That's good, I guess. I put some okra in there.
How much?
Not that many. Not that much. You want to get carried away. That's pretty good.
But you just like sit here and stir it or nothing?
Nah, just like, I just leave my shit like that. If you ain't got to turn it up loud when you ain't trying to fry it. Well, you get you. Go ahead, turn it up.
6?
Yeah. Okay, so like in 10 minutes, you can throw, well, we'll let that cook down a little more. You can throw your shit in here, in there.
Okay, did you look at the chicken?
Yeah, I look at it, it's good.
It's looking how it's supposed to look?
Yeah. It ain't like it's going to be done after you put the filet in there. Just cook it up.
Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. We're getting close.
Yep,
It's done?
yep,
I
yep.
need to put the slimy.
Yeah, good enough.
Dump it
Turn it
in.
down so you want your little butter to burn out.
So should I just turn it off and dump it in?
Nah, no, you ain't even. Oh yeah, go dump it in. You can. No. You gonna do your shit first. Where that? Your powder.
Seasoning?
Yeah. I don't like light skin gumbo. I like dark skin gumbo. So I will put 2 bottles in, but you know, cause I really like my broth dark. I don't like the light. So I don't know how much you wanna put in. You gonna end up putting 2 for something. You gonna see however you want it to look. Sorry, we're a mixing thing. Cause you gonna be pouring. You got mix at the same time while you pouring it in and shit.
So sprinkle it, not just...
Nah, just dump it. Start dumping it in slowly. Light skin the gumbo ain't good. Alright, you can throw your shit in there and keep, mixing up a little more after you throw your shit in there. your name? Shay.
Ooh. 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 Oh my God. I'm so happy. Like, I can have gumbo whenever I want, and I don't gotta pay nobody. I thickened it up. I put my okra and onions in there. I seasoned it. It tastes delicious. Apparently 2 gumbo fillets is it, and a whole lot of salt shaking. So now I'm gonna put my rice on, and I'm going to detail my shrimp. All right, I got my shrimp peeled. We finna throw it in. Hi, baby. A bitch just made gumbo. No help.
No help.
All by myself.
All by yourself. Let them know. Let them know. Let them know. Let them know. Let them know.
Time for the final review. Yes, Lord. Yes. As we all know, all good things must come to an end. Bubbles is leaving us today, even though we got her to stay an extra day, so we're happy about that. So we're going to toast to a good flight. Toast to a safe trip. Toast to a happy little vacay. Yeah, you can pour your own shit because I'm not alone. Cheers. I'll do another one. Go back to work tipsy. I'll make this one a little shot.
Ain't even a day. Shit, it's over with now. But I don't even know how to work my camera. I never know how to do it.
Yeah. Cheers.
I already just took one. But
Yeah, second one.
Well, that's impossible because I only copy and paste.
Okay, bye. Yeah, I had fun.
Good. Thank you so much for coming. I love you, Bubbles. Tell the vlog bye. See you.
See y'all next time.
Yes.
I'll be back. Shit. 29 days.
I'll be counting. Oh, you got a big one too. You need help or you got it?
I got it.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure you get in.
Alrighty.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. I had an amazing time with my cousin. As you can see, she's heading off to the airport now. So this is me signing off. I'll catch you next time. Bye.